Hey, what's going on? This is your boy B. I get this question all the time. Yo, B, why is my beard is uneven? It's like I may have more hair on one side than the other. Well, just to kind of explain it from a scientific aspect of it, when we are born, we have these follicles, right? And we're like these little bitty small creatures in our mother's belly. And as we are growing, right, there are cells that get in between those follicles, and those follicles begin to spread out throughout our body. Now, there isn't a set of, hey, on this side you're gonna have 100, on this side you get 100 as well. There's no equal distribution of follicles. It's just a matter of, as we are going through the development from an embryo all the way through until we become, we hit the puberty stage, then we truly can see our follicle distribution. So some of the things that I recommend people to do is even it out. You can trim this side to match this side or vice versa. But again, there isn't a true set follicle or even follicle distribution. Typically, you'll find people's beard is not, it's not the same. Some people, it may be a little bit more obvious, and some it may not be as obvious. So you're not alone. My beard, it grows more on this side than it does on the other side. So it happens to the best of us, but that doesn't mean that you cannot sport your beard. That doesn't mean you can't wear it like a champ. You just have to make adjustments, and that's just life. We always have to make adjustments. Like, again, you can even it out with trimming or using some shears, whatever tool you wish to use, but that's what you can do. All right, another thing that you can do, you can use a derma roller. Some have seen significant results and some have not, but those are a couple things that you can do to help your situation. This is your boy B. You already know. Please leave your comments below if you have any more questions. Deuces, we out.